Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making hanging tomahawk steaks on the Burch Barrel. The first thing that we want to do is set up the tomahawks so they can hang from the Burch Barrel and season them. So here's how we do that. So we got a beautiful prime tomahawk ribeye steak here from our local butcher Rusty Nails in Scottsdale. We want to tie up the tomahawk steaks with some butcher twines, both above and underneath the bone. This will keep it together whilst cooking. You also want to tie 4 strings of butcher twine to the bone, and at the other end of the twine create a loop so it can hang in the Burch Barrel. Then we're going to season richly with our award-winning Big Swede Barbecue Badass Beef Boost on all the sides of the steak, and then let it sit for at least 30 minutes before we start cooking. Now when the tomahawk steaks are prepared for hanging, it's time to light up the Burch Barrel, and here's how I like it set up. We're gonna fill a chimney starter completely with charcoal briquettes, and then we wanna light it on fire. We want to lower the charcoal basket all the way down and open the vents to full. When you see the flames dump into the charcoal basket, the tomahawk is ready, the Burch Barrel is ready, so let's start grilling. Now we want to hang the tomahawk steak on the hook underneath the lid. We're also going to add a couple of Bourbon Barrel Blocks from Smoke Your Bourbon to infuse it with great smoke flavors. Now we want to lower the lid with the tomahawk steak so it sits at a temperature of 275 to 300 degrees. If you have flare-ups from the fat dripping, just adjust the lid upwards. Now we want to let the tomahawk ribeye cook like this, having the fat dripping into the hot charcoal, creating a beautiful smoke until it reaches an inner temperature of about 125 degrees. Then we're going to remove it from the grill. We're going to raise the charcoal basket all the way up, and then we're going to place the grates on the Burch Barrel. Then it's time to sear the tomahawk steak on both sides until you have a good, beautiful char. Then we want to remove it from the grill, let it rest for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to cut the steak off the bone and slice it into good, thick slices. And then this amazing hanging tomahawk steak is ready to serve. And that is how I make fat smoked hanging tomahawk steaks on the Burch Barrel. And I think the only thing left to do is to try these and see what they taste like. And they look amazing. So I'm going to grab a piece of the spinalis here, and here we go. This is so good. Oh, I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.